AAH operates in a very competitive market of pharmaceutical wholesale. As an organisation, we are moving about a third of all medicines around the UK, and we see ourselves as being very much all about health. But it's more than just moving medicines for us, because we are very acutely aware that at the end of the day, someone's mother, father, son, daughter is actually waiting for that medicine, and it's that medicine that's going to make them feel better. Our customers are dispensing pharmacies, private hospitals, NHS hospitals, and the Ministry of Defence. Our vision is to be recognised as the UK's leading provider of pharmacy supply chain management solutions. And what that means is we've developed a very specific culture within our organisation. We have a set of behaviours that we call the Magnificent Seven that have been developed from the lessons that we've learned in the past, but also obviously from what we continue to learn today and looking to the future. And we use these behaviours in three ways: to recruit people, to reward people, and to develop people. And when we're looking to work with other organisations in the market, we look for alignment with that set of behaviours and those core values. And we see that when we work with people like Northgate.
The Northgate role with AAH has grown massively over the last 6 years. What started as a fairly standard break-fix contract has grown to include all installations for our estate, also full disposal of equipment at the end of life. Northgate is now procuring hardware for our systems on our behalf, is doing all of the imaging and support of both the Link and the ProScript Link applications for us. It's very important to AAH that our customer needs are met in a way that's consistent with our values, and Northgate has consistently risen to the challenge and delivered beyond the call of duty on many occasions, and that's why the role has expanded from that initial contract to the broad range of services that they provide today. Northgate always work with us collaboratively, and we very much see the key members of Northgate as part of our team. We involve them, but that also means we set the same expectations of them, and those expectations have consistently been met. AAH has had a string of successes in the marketplace. We were the first system supplier to complete the rollout of the first phase of electronic prescriptions in England. Likewise, we were the first to complete the rollout of electronic enabled systems in Wales. For both phases of electronic prescriptions in Scotland, we completed in round about 2 months in the depths of winter. But I think undoubtedly the biggest achievement, which we've not completed yet but we're well on the way, is something of an industry first in moving from our old software application called Link to the new one called ProScript Link across over 2,000 pharmacies throughout the UK in less than 2 years. With Northgate engineers being responsible for the conversion of every single one of those sites. ProScript Link is important in this sense because it strategically underpins the proposition for AAH. It drives customer loyalty, and almost half of the turnover of the business is driven through customers using the system.
Northgate are responsible for migrating all of the data that sits on the old IT system. So some customers have had this old IT system for 10, 15, 20 years. So it's obviously very important that their data is transferred across. Customers are very happy with the transition because it means that they can get onto the new IT system and straight away carry on dispensing. They've not got to put any of those new details in again. Also on the day of installation, they don't have any downtime, they can carry on operating.
We've had AAH computer systems for a long time. In fact, we've just recently upgraded to the ProScript system. Within the IT, it used to be mainly a dispensing function because we used IT mainly for producing dispensing labels, but now it's evolved where we do use it on a much broader range of activities in our pharmacy. Recording patient data, recording invoices, also staff training, communicating with other healthcare professionals, etc. So it has a much wider role to play in our business today. The most important person is the end user there, and as far as our customers are concerned, they can get the services is a lot quicker, they don't have to wait. And also if patient request information from us, we're able to access it quickly for them. If they want to print out of their medication, we can do that as well.
The support I get from Northgate is not only do they do the installs and a part of our big deployment from migrating our customers, but they also go and see our customers that require new hardware. They're also responsible for going to see customers to do the repairs for them. I speak to the engineers after a repair has been done and after an install has been done, so I have regular contact with them, so I get support from them in knowing what's going on with my customers.
If you think about the move from standalone systems to network systems, that's enabled us to bring in a whole range of new tools to drive efficiency and service through support. So monitoring tools, remote access, antivirus, online backups, those kind of things. And they've all delivered improvements in speed and quality of the service we can provide the customer.
Working with Northgate Managed Services has ensured that we continually improve our operational efficiency. And we strive to attain, I guess, the excellence that we're looking for that sits very much at the heart of AH's business. I think Northgate are a big part in actually driving and supporting that process and ensuring that we're taking on board the IT practices that ensure that we have the best software support and the best hardware maintenance within the industry and the market that we operate in.
The good working relationship that we have with Northgate means that we can continue to deliver a good and efficient service to all of our customers in the future.
For the future, once we've completed the migration, we'll return our focus to continually improving the service experience for our customers that offers that real point of difference in the marketplace. And we'll look to grow our customer base from there. And Northgate will continue to be instrumental in the design and delivery of these improvements.